welcome to our weekly garden check-in. My name is Kelsey, children's educator here at Ginter Botanical Garden, and this week we're going to be going on a winter walk. While many of the plants in the garden are going dormant or seem to be going to sleep under the soil, lots of others are showing off. Some are changing color or producing fruit or flowers. And so this week we're going to be highlighting some of those plants and also giving you a couple of ideas of things to look out for when you are exploring the garden or nature in the wintertime. Also, we'll be making a fun pine cone craft a little bit later. So this is our juniper or eastern red cedar, and it is full of bluish purple berry-like cones that have a very unique juniper smell, and those cones are used in cooking, and also Native Americans used to use the branches for making bows because of their springy yet strong quality, and also in traditional medicine. And lots of birds like to enjoy the juniper cones as well. Now I'm standing in front of a winterberry holly. Winterberry hollies make red and orange berries that are enjoyed by birds, especially robins in the wintertime. And the bark was used by Native Americans to make decoctions in traditional medicine. I'm standing underneath our Magnolia Amina tree, which is a species of magnolia from China that makes beautiful pink and white blooms in the springtime. And right now our magnolia is making beautiful fuzzy buds, and the bud scales, or the outer part of the bud, is very fuzzy, and it is protecting the flower inside as it grows and develops from cold and frost, and so that it'll keep it safe until it's ready to bloom in the springtime. Behind me are some blood twig dogwoods, and you can see why they're called blood twig. The bark has turned bright red, and this shrub is deciduous, meaning that it loses its leaves in the fall, and in the wintertime you can see the bright red bark. Right behind me is a witch hazel. Witch hazel is a fall and winter blooming native shrub or small tree, and the flowers are very unique and wispy looking, and the bark and leaves were used by Native Americans as an astringent or to treat inflammation of the skin. And I use witch hazel every single day on my skin. It is an excellent astringent and a really cool plant to observe in the wintertime. So for our pinecone craft, we're going to be making pinecone flowers like this one. Your first step will be to collect some pine cones and some sticks if you wish to put your pinecone flowers on stems. And your second step is to cut your pine cones into smaller pieces. Next, you will paint your pinecone flower whatever colors you like, and your sticks if you would like to make stems. And then if you're making a bouquet, you glue the back of your pinecone flower to the stick with a hot glue gun. And you can use these flowers in a bouquet like I made. You can stick them in your garden bed for garden decorations, and I've even seen some people make them into cute little flower crowns. So I hope you guys have fun with this craft, and thank you so much for checking in with me this week and doing a winter walk and making this cool pinecone craft. I hope you guys have a great week and tune in every other week for story time with Miss Tarnisha.